Hello and welcome back to my workshop. I recently picked up a load of second-hand clamps from somebody who was closing down their workshop. I went to see what they had and just basically bought every clamp that they had. These are Axminster trade clamps, 250mm by 100mm. Really sturdy, heavy things. Amazing clamping power compared to my B&Q spreader clamps. You know, the Magnuson ones, standard B&Q brands. These things are, first of all, very high quality, but also this style of clamp has got incredible clamping power. So just works like any other F clamp. You can do it underneath the workbench like that, and yeah, it's not going anywhere. If I put one there, or I've seen most people use them this way up, particularly when they're doing glue ups and things, because then gravity just naturally does its thing, bringing that down to exactly the right place, and then all you've got to do is clamp it in place. So as long as you don't mind the clamp sticking up and getting in the way a bit, that is the easier way to use them. So I'm very keen on these. I think I'm probably going to buy some more. As I say, I got these second hand. I paid £10 for two. Looking on Amazon this morning, a single Axminster F clamp is £20, and I say I got two for £10. Almost no marks on the tool. There's a slight, what looks like a slight rust mark here, but it doesn't impede the sliding in any way. So very pleased with that. As I think I might actually get some more of these, because the clamping power is just incredible, and it spreads, because of these nice rubber pads here, it does seem to spread out the clamping pressure quite evenly, so it doesn't seem to mark the surface at all. So I would definitely recommend these, yeah, hopefully that's helpful. If you've got any questions or any comments, please leave them down below. If you've got time to like the video, that would be great, and if you've got time to subscribe to my channel, even better. I don't put out that many videos, so you're not going to get overwhelmed with notifications. Until next time, stay safe.